Peppermint Frosty. Wendy's does have their moments. A cheap winter treat. "10 degrees outside, yet Burger King's heat is off. More like Burger King." Old Chris Crinkle Fries. Instead of toys, he gives kids a Zaxby's gift card. Winter's first snowflake makes me want powdered donuts. Hook me up, Duncan. Three hungry wise men, guided by the Hardee's star. Fast food, next exit. Snowstorm, but I'm starved. Little Caesars, here I come. I hope they're open. Well, it's Christmas Eve, and there's nothing in my fridge. Wait up, McDonald's. The weather outside is frightful, but nacho fries are so delightful. Bright and full of cheer, the Hardee's star makes a great Christmas tree topper. Cookies are played out. For Santa this year I left Bowberry biscuits. Christmas Day is here, craving Popeyes for dinner, but alas, they're closed.